In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a clip in DaVinci Resolve easily and effectively. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced video editor, this simple method will help you swap out clips in no time, ensuring your project stays on track and maintains its flow. First off, let's launch DaVinci Resolve on your computer. To do this, locate the DaVinci Resolve icon on your desktop or in your application folder and give it a click. This action opens up one of the most powerful video editing software tools you'll find today, ready to tackle whatever project you throw at it. If you haven't already done so, make sure your project is open. If you're working on something new, go ahead and create a new project. For those continuing an existing project, just open it up and head over to your editing timeline. The timeline is where the bulk of your work happens, and it's the place we'll be focusing on today. Now take a good look at your timeline and identify the clip you want to replace. Click on that specific clip to highlight it. This selection step is crucial because it ensures that the changes you make apply to the correct section of your video. Next, make sure you have your media pool open. The media pool is basically the library area in DaVinci Resolve where all your media is stored, including video clips, audio files, and images. If it's not already visible, navigate to the Media tab on the top bar to easily access it. This section is instrumental in providing you with the resources needed to pull clips into your timeline. Once you're in the media pool, find the new clip you want to replace your current selected clip with. Click on that new clip. With both your original clip highlighted in the timeline and your new clip chosen in the media pool, you're now ready to make the swap. DaVinci Resolve makes this part easy. With your selections made, simply right-click and from the context menu that appears, choose Replace Clip. This action replaces the clip initially selected in your timeline with the newly chosen one from your media pool. Notice how the timeline updates immediately, reflecting the change. Depending on the length and start and end points of your replacement clip, you may need to make slight adjustments. Congratulations! You've just successfully replaced a clip in DaVinci Resolve. This efficient process allows you to seamlessly swap out parts of your project as needed without disrupting your workflow. It's a straightforward way to keep your videos fresh and perfectly tailored to your vision. As you continue to refine your editing skills, mastering these quick edits will serve you well. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to leave a like or comment with any questions you might have, and consider subscribing to keep up with our latest video editing tips. Until next time, happy editing.